Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make two dishes with Moringa leaves. I have got some fresh and tender Moringa leaves. One I am going to make chutney and second Moringa leaves Adai. I have already posted the video. In this Adai I am adding a little bit of grated coconut also. Earlier I didn't add. For chutney I have taken Moringa leaves around 1 cup, 1 tablespoon of Urad Dal, salt, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, green chilli. According to your requirement, you can take 1 raw tomato and quarter cup shallots. Now we will add the urad dal in this. Saute this till it becomes brown in color. This has become brown in color. Now we'll add the shallots and 2 garlic cloves I have taken. That also we'll add and we'll saute this till the onion is translucent. If you are not using raw tomato, you can add a little bit of tamarind in this. You can also add Chana Dal while frying the urad dal. This has become translucent. Now we'll add the raw tomato in it. Saute this and cover and cook till the tomatoes are soft. Add the salt also, so the process will become speedy. The tomato is cooked. Now we will add the moringa leaves in this and saute this till the leaves are wilt. While making the chutney, if you want, you can add coconut also. The leaves are very tender, so it will wilt very fast. I have added 2 tablespoons of grated coconut in this. Now this is done. We will switch off the gas and allow this to cool. I have got some moringa leaves here. I have kept it for drying after washing it and removing the stems from it. Put it in the strainer. It's almost dried up. Now we'll make moringa powder out of this. I have already made moringa powder. This is the moringa powder. I used to put this in any vegetables or sambar or dosa, in chapati. You can make use of it in any vegetables when you prepare. It's very good for health, as you know. Now this adai is done. We will remove this to the plate. Now we will repeat the process for the remaining batter. See the sides, you can literally pick it up from the tawa like this. Adding oil. The chutney is also ready. I have ground the chutney. If you want, you can temper it with mustard seeds, red chilli and cumin seeds with a pinch of asafoetida. Now the moringa leaves adai and the moringa leaves chutney is ready. If you have more moringa leaves, you can add around 2 cups and for variations I will give the details in the description box. Like you can add chana dal, coriander seeds, a little bit of mustard seeds, methi seeds for the masala for grinding the chutney. Then add the rest of the items which I have already mentioned in the video. You can use red chili instead of green chili, your choice. Thank you so much for watching the video. Enjoy this dish and give me your feedback. Both the items are very healthy. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon, and also that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.